So hello everyone, this video is gonna be about this makeup over here, and I don't have setting spray because girl, I have to rebuy my setting spray. It's all gone. But in case you wonder, because I don't know if I told you in this video, I fill up my brows with this Fleur Baby, okay, because it's most of the eyebrow fillers has like this kind of color, okay, and I am multitasker because this palette over here cost me like $49, and I can use this one to fill out my brows. But I did like a little bit of something different. I blend this color over here, since this is the makeup mostly of that color, this color over here with this girl together, and it give you a nice amazing effect. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but when you go and look at my contour and blush, it's just flawless. I put a little bit of accent in here, which is glitter girl, and a lot of glitter over here, which is a nice perfect makeup, perfect for photos. So I don't know if this is the color that I wear in my lips, just in case, because I don't think I apply it in the rest of the video. This one's called Dolls or Instant, or yeah, it's called Doll. And this AOA Studios, they last a pretty long time. They don't get out from your lips. It's only $1, but they smelled absolutely awful. So if you it has to smell great, the lippies that you're using your lips, don't go with this girl. But this is a nice orangey color with a lot of glitter. So I hope you enjoy this video, and hopefully I can see you more videos. Press like, subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos, and leave your lovely comments down below. All this is fun, it is free to do, and you won't regret it. I know you will like this channel. Please enjoy this video. So first of all, I use a primer to prime my face. I absolutely use this one, which you can find in trustingsafe.com for only $1. Just like this, it says AOA Studio. It's a perfect BB cream for just $1. Trustingsafe.com. I have to do a lot of hauls about it, and you can click on one of the hauls. I probably has the links down below. This one's AOA Studio Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer, which I use to prepare my face. We're using this one. I absolutely use a BB cream, but this one doesn't have no color, but it's acne treatment with salicylic acid, Sassy Chic. This one you can find in the Dollar Tree store, only $1. So everything for the face is $1. I have full coverage as a natural beauty that I am. I don't need that much coverage. So let me just start with the eyes. I already did this because my editing software is fucked up, but that's a great thing about YouTube, that every video is perfect. So I'm gonna use this Beauty Tricks Love and Heart Correcting Palette, which I found in iconhouse.com, which I use to prime my eyes. It's just a corrector palette, so you can use a corrector. It's like a multitasker. If you don't like to shop for primers and you like to spend your money in more like eyeshadows and blushes, and it's more passionate for you, maybe a skincare, it's more passionate for you than just wasting your money in just a simple primer. So a corrector that you use to correct your imperfections is great as well to prime your eyes. See, I waste my money like $25 in this Korean brand Cathy Dolls from justhush.com, which I don't know if it's gonna be great for your face, but I try my best. So let me just continue with the eye, because I don't know how much memory I have in my freaking equipment that I'm using to film this video. But anyways, yes, I think this is enough to prime my eyes, getting ready for the eyeshadows. This one is Wet Kisses, and as well I'm gonna use the finger because it has fully pigmented. It is from Too Faced. This Clover palette that I absolutely think you have seen all the videos in YouTube. So this is the look that it's gonna create. This is the palette that's gonna create this look. This is a perfect golden, and I'm just gonna use my finger. See how much pigmentation I get with my finger? That's absolutely gorgeous, okay? It's gonna be a great look. So this is Wet Kisses from this palette. So absolutely going to go with a brush to do the rest of the look, and I'm using this simple brush over here. This one's from BH Cosmetics, which they have great, absolutely amazing stuff that you should check out for more affordable makeup. I always shop from BH Cosmetics. Affordable makeup. They partner with a lot of friends here on YouTube to create new products. They absolutely affordable, and it's one of my favorite stores. This is Roof, which is a brownish color with a hint of browns, a bronzy color. This is called Roof Rough, which I think is like the bark from the dog, whatever it is. I'm just gonna apply this one in my crease. Like this, friends, just like this. I'm so excited because it's been a long time since I haven't done a makeup tutorial. Even though I'm not a professional, I always bring you like normal human beings. What the fuck? Say about that stuff. Unprofessional, but it's okay. Yes, I'm not professional, but I just bring what normal girls do. And it's absolutely amazing because yes, this is what all of us do. We always learning about makeup, and this is give you a lot of pigmentation. So if you're more like a blending girl, you just use like a fluffy brush and just blend away. Okay, but right now a thing like this is what I'm gonna do to like do like a B motion, and only this corner over here with a B motion. Just fill out this corner to give a little bit of accent. See, like a purplish, nice little accent. Okay, girls. So let me just do a nice makeup tutorial for you guys. See, and just blend away just this corner over here. Okay, just the corner. We're gonna give a little bit of color. And by the way, this color, because all that misunderstanding, all that mess that I did, I forgot to tell you the color. This one is TF Mascot. TF Mascot. It's like this gorgeous violet color. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just pressing this color in the motion to give like a colorful stuff in my pretty eyes, just like this. Okay, see how gorgeous? You don't need a lot of effort, you just need a bunch of color, okay, to create a nice, really colorful makeup. Okay, so that's a bunch of color. I know I did a little bit of mess. Okay, but this is gonna be with the brush. You just swipe away the extra mess that you did. Okay, and that's it. That's all, guys. Just swipe away the little mess that you do. Okay, and right now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara, and that's what's gonna be in my eyes. Okay, little bit of mascara. Going with Glittery. So I'm just gonna apply this one, which is a gorgeous rose gold color, and this is gonna be my contour. Okay, and for blush it's gonna be this gorgeous, I don't know if you can catch it, it's the lightest colors from this blush, and it's like a peachy nice blush that I found for only $1 in trustmix8.com. It's called Steady, and just a little bit of this. It has a lot of pigmentation, see, with effortless application just in the apples of your sheets. Okay, so for my contours I use this Beauty Creations contour highlights, which has a gorgeous rose gold color over here, and I bought this one in trustmix8.com. You should check out that store as well. For highlights as well, this has gorgeous golden highlight, and I wearing this one because it's more safe. It's like a nice whitish color, so I'm just gonna apply this one in the side over here, see, and blend away everything just like I did in my other sheet. Blend away the contour and everything nice. So after that, I set my contour into everything. I'm just gonna wear a little bit of glitter since it's really fun. So I'm just gonna wear this one. This one's a little palette that for all you, this one's glitter palette. Okay, if you want to give a little bit of glitter, this one has like glue, and it's really effortless. Like you don't need no special glue for this. I believe this one lasts a long time. And just give a little bit and add into wherever you want to put some glitter. I want to put some glitter there, and I want to put some glitter in the other side. So this is a nice way to press glitter. Like how nice and cute. Okay, and you press glitter and glitter and glitter all the way, whatever you want. So it's this little press glitter bar for all you glitter lovers. It's really effortless, like I said, and look all the gorgeous glitter that you can apply in your face. So it's this. I already have a review in my channel. For the lips, I'm just gonna wear this gorgeous orangey lip since the eyes are like orange and in purplish. So that would be the final look.